Welcome to the review of the Samsung Galaxy A27. Is this the new king of the budget-friendly A series in 2026? Let's find out.
The design is fresh and modern, featuring a slim profile and a refined camera housing that gives it a much more premium look than its predecessors.
Though budget-focused, the matte finish feels great in the hand of a middle-aged Caucasian male and resists fingerprints, making it a practical choice for everyday carry.
The Super AMOLED display is stunning. With vibrant colors and deep contrast, it is easily the best screen you can get in this price range. Experience fluid scrolling with the 120Hz refresh rate. Navigating through menus and browsing the web feels incredibly smooth and responsive.
Sunlight readability is improved, ensuring you can comfortably check your notifications and watch videos, even when you are outdoors during the day.
Powered by the latest mid-range chipset, the A27 handles daily tasks, social media, and multitasking without any noticeable stutter or delay.
For casual gamers, this device performs admirably. Most games run at medium settings with a stable frame rate, making it a versatile companion.
Samsung's One UI provides a polished experience. It's clean, feature-packed, and ensures you have access to the latest security features for 2026. The primary sensor captures impressive detail. Whether you're shooting landscapes or daily memories, the images look sharp, bright, and color-accurate. In streets. The new Samsung Galaxy A7 lets you capture stunning night photos. Its advanced software reliably reduces noise in the shadows while maintaining presence. With the Galaxy A27's ultra-wide lens, you can capture the full scale of the structure, and the distortion at the edges is almost non-existent. Explore the tiny details with the macro lens. It's a fun addition that allows you to get creative with close-up shots of nature or textures. The front-facing camera delivers natural skin tones and good clarity, perfect for video calls and keeping your social media game strong. Record stable and clear videos with the built-in stabilization, ensuring your handheld footage looks professional for your social media content. With an efficient power-sipping processor, the A27 easily lasts through a full day of heavy usage, keeping you connected from dawn until dusk. Get hours of power in just minutes. The new Samsung Galaxy A27 features super fast charging, so you're always ready to go. Intelligent battery management helps preserve the health of your battery over time, making this a long-term investment for your daily needs. Future-proof your experience with 5G connectivity. Enjoy blazing fast download and upload speeds that keep you synced with the world instantly. The stereo speakers provide clear and loud audio, making your movie watching or music listening experience enjoyable even without external headphones.
With reliable connectivity across the board, you can count on stable calls and consistent network performance, even in challenging environments.
The under-display fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate, ensuring that your data stays secure while allowing you to unlock your phone instantly. Designed for everyday life, the Galaxy A27 feels robust and reliable, giving you the confidence that it can handle the rigors of your routine. With plenty of storage options and room for expansion, you have enough space to save all your high-resolution photos and essential apps. The A27 is a strong competitor in the mid-range market, offering a perfect balance of performance and style at a very attractive price point.
If you want the Samsung experience, great screen, reliable camera, and clean software without the flagship cost, the A27 is the choice.
Samsung's promise of ongoing security and software updates ensures your phone stays current and safe for years to come. Power your day with the Samsung Galaxy A27. Featuring a vibrant display and reliable performance, it's built to keep you connected, no matter your walk of life.
The Galaxy A27 is a well-rounded smartphone. It ticks all the right boxes, proving that you don't need to overspend to get a great experience.
That wraps up our review of the Samsung Galaxy A27. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech updates.